Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. As you know, the vacation ongoing you are enjoying, so that's why I also want to teach you research in such a way that you can apply in your real life. So that's why I started a session on YouTube to help you people to apply research, not only theoretical work you study in the classroom setting. So here is the thing which I help you to take you interest rather than don't make difficult for your research subject as a subject. So let's start our lecture. In the previous lecture, I will tell you about research by purpose, what is research, and classification research. There is a true classification, research by purpose, and research by method. And research by purpose, first kind, basic research, which I taught you about in the previous lecture. And basic research is used for actual theory development, but these are all theoretical work. There is no practical implication of basic research in real life setting. So there is a need of another research which helps to apply in real life. So that research is called applied research as application research, or also it is also called science research, because science cannot be based on a theoretical work. It's science means you can do practical or application research, right? So here is application research. Let's start application research. And as same as we do in a basic research, this is also a type of research by purpose. There is something purpose, like you have crop yield, increase the goods, increase the field, so that's why we can feed more people around the globe. So it is conducted for application or testing theory. Those theories which we develop in basic research are applied here in application research. If you are develop a theory about touch phone, how to touch phone work, how to Android phone work, then there is need to you should have just a theoretical framework, and there is no other application. So you can that apply in the real life setting. In the industry, you start making Android phone. So here is the application of basic research. And you can also say basic research is a foundation for the application research. And those basic research, basic theories which develop, and uh, we cannot apply them, that is not mean there is a valid theory according to pragmatists, right? So you cannot ask me about pragmatists. There is education field, I also make a video for all the field, right? So pragmatists, basically I will tell you about a philosophy, that's not your concern. So conducted for application and testing theory to enhance the yield, to enhance the workout, those which will work in laboratory. As I tell you about basic research, it is conducted in laboratory. It is conducted on animals or plants. So it this applied research is basically used in industry, right? On large scale industry, if any crop have if we take a cornfield which have low growth in Pakistan in the past year, what should we do? We develop a strong seed which gain more yield. So that prepared in the laboratory, after that it is applied in the field. That's why now Pakistan have a large amount of yield of corns, right? In such a way, Pakistan has no industry of a computer or Android. So now Pakistan is working on a Pakistan made in Pakistan Android mobile. In such a way, machinery also help in the human beings. So conducted in field and industry, I already tell you about. So field and industry, why it's used field and industry to help the human beings, right? So it's make human being easy for to go for physiological need very easily, and there is no hustle for anybody to gain that basic needs of the living, right? So in applied research there is no control, because control is a term which is we use in only laboratory. In application level there is no control. Once we give command, there is no control in any person until the GM. general manager has control, but all the other machinery have no control. Once they start working, they are continuously doing and making it right. So why it's used, why application search is useful for benefits of human being, why Android mobile help to come people and make a world in a global village, right? And ATM machines to use to take money in when at that time when the bank is off, right? So in the past people have a lot of problem that now if you can example in the applied research, you can put in the comments which applied research you've seen in your surrounding, right? Which help you, right? Once you talk about your laptop is a type of application search, your mobile phone, your electricity is application research, everything that gives you benefit is the type of application research, is an example of application research, right? And application research, the main purpose of application research is called problems, is a problem solving approach. We solve problem, right? So if we called about what is if your question arise in the examination, what is problem solving research, so people confuse what, there is no in syllabus, but basic research, applied research, uh, sorry, so no basic, problem solving research, science research or applied research or application research is same as applied research. If we ask about problem solving research, then you should write about all the chunks, all the characteristic, all the application, all the uses of application research, right? So I hope you understand this lecture very well. I also give a short overview. If you have no need to, if you, those students who have not capacity to consume all the chapter about application research, there is a short overview for them, and all the students also adopt that method, which is summarized. Research by purpose, it is a type of research by purpose. It second one, which one, it's also called applied search, science research, application search, or problem solving research, right? So here is a applied research, and if you know about very well about applied search on my lecture, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and stay connected with me. Inshallah, I will make more video about research and thesis, so don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.